Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Anusha Sumukha. This is the continuation vlog from the part 2 video, that is Devarmane trekking vlog. After the trekking, all three of us were starving, and here you see we were asking locals for any hotels nearby to taste the local food. I was craving for neer dosa. However, I couldn't get it that day. I have adjusted with the whatever was available. Once done with the breakfast, we have started driving towards waterfall. After driving for 1 hour, we reached Magajanahalli waterfall. We passed by the little streams, and the sounds of the trickling water is so soothing. The leaves rustle and whisper as the wind blows through, and the occasional bird chirping. Now you heard the water sound, right? So next you can hear water stream with the birds chirping sound. It can really soothe any soul. Hope you are enjoying the waterfall view and bird sounds in the forest. These calming and tranquil sounds of the great outdoors alter the connections in our brain, and that reduces our mental stress. Nature sounds act as distraction away from the day-to-day anxiety and worries, redirecting our attentions and stresses outward to objects and moments outside. Find a peaceful spot near the waterfall where we can fully take in the beauty of the nature. Make sure it's safe and we are not too close to the waterfall, as the mist and the spray can be powerful. Breathe in the fresh air deeply and slowly, allowing your body to relax and your mind to clear. Listen to the calming sounds of the water as it cascades down the waterfall. The sound of the water has been shown to have the soothing effect on the mind and body. Watch the water as it flows downstream. Observe the patterns and movement of the water as it travels over the rocks and down the waterfall. You can sit or lie down near the waterfall. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, inhaling and exhaling slowly. After waterfall visit, we drove for 30 minutes and reached another homestay for that night. As I was tired physically for the day, I could not make a video while reaching this homestay. However, the experience is too amazing. As we drive further, the trees become denser and our vision narrows, with just enough space for the car to continue on. We can see the sunlight filtering through the leaves above, casting than shadows on the road ahead. We drive for hours, never getting tired of the beauty that surrounds us. The winding road takes us up and down the hills, through valleys and along the ridges. The scenery is constantly changing, but the serene atmosphere never fades. As the day begins to draw to close, the sun begins to set, casting an orange glow over the forest. The sky turns beautiful shade of pink, and the stars begin to twinkle in the sky, signaling the end of the another day. By the way, the name of the homestay is Rainy Hut. This is situated 30 kilometers away from the Chikmagalur town, in Chikkalahalli village. It is surrounded by lush coffee estate, water stream and towering mountain. It is the perfect place to unwind and relax. I have enjoyed taking in the sights, sounds and the smells around us. Feeling the cool breeze and the mist during the summer is another experience to cherish. Let go of any thoughts or worries and just be. Later evening, homestay folks arranged a campfire and some food. We just sat back and observed the peacefulness of the coffee estate. After a long day enjoying the nature, we slept off in lap of the nature. Crickets were chirping all over the night and in the morning. Here you can find the scene. Good morning, everyone. After a peaceful sleep, we woke up early morning to enjoy the nature bliss. This is the third day and time to return back to our routine city life. Before check out the homestay, let's have a morning walk in the coffee estate. Mornings in coffee estate can be a beautiful and an amazing experience. Here are few things we have experienced during our morning in a coffee estate. Coffee plantations typically start their day early, around sunrise. To fully experience the beauty of the morning in a coffee estate, make sure to wake up early and be ready to start your day. One of the most beautiful moments of the morning in a coffee estate is watching the sunrise over the plantation. Find a good spot to watch the sun coming up and the breathtaking views. The cool and the fresh morning air is perfect for taking a walk around the coffee estate. Explore the different areas of the plantation and admire the coffee plants and the surrounding nature. Depending on the time of the year, you may have the opportunity to observe the coffee harvest in action. Watch as the workers carefully pick the coffee cherries from the trees and prepare them for processing. No morning in a coffee estate would be complete without a cup of freshly brewed coffee. Take a break from your morning activities and enjoy a cup of coffee made from the beans grown on the estate. If you are interested in learning more about the coffee production, ask if there are any tours or the workshops available on the estate. This can be a great opportunity to learn about the history and process of the coffee production. Overall, mornings in a coffee estate are peaceful and rejuvenating experience. Take your time, enjoy the surroundings and savor the flavors of the coffee grown on the estate. You may have opportunity to observe the workers as they go about their daily tasks, such as planting or harvesting the coffee plants. Remember to respect the environment and any guidelines set by the coffee estate. Wear comfortable walking shoes, bring water, and be mindful of any potential hazards or uneven terrain. Above all, enjoy the fresh air, beautiful scenery, and the unique experience of a morning walk in the coffee estate. Yeah, this is a spot. I found the sunrise so beautiful, where I can witness the sun moving among the trees. whole time I was spending capturing the photos here and there. Here you can see me capturing the beauty into my DSLR. Mornings are the real bliss to enjoy, especially in the estates. Walking in a coffee estate is a great way to connect with nature and escape the hustle and bustle of the daily life. Take the opportunity to clear your mind and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. After getting fresh up, we check out from the homestay. Yeah, this is the way before the day that we drove towards the homestay. After checkout, we started searching for our breakfast. Yeah, after our breakfast, I had a small shopping here. So where I can find all the pickles and honey. Good thing is they gave a sample to taste. The pickle was so yummy. So I bought I think 3 bottles to home. After I paid my bill, we moved towards Bangalore. Can you see in the behind how beautifully they have decorated with the plants? They also had a different set of spices which are too fresh, what they have claimed. However, I didn't get a chance to take them as I already have enough load at home. Thanks for watching till the end. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. Bye. Stay safe and healthy. Yes, Anusha Sumukha.